Hi everyone, let's cook this Plateau delicacy known as whisker. I really don't know the English name of this food, but it's a very nutritious food. It is low in carbohydrates and it is very delicious. It feels like Irish potatoes and you cook it the way you would cook yam. You add salt, you pour in water, then you put on fire. And then when it starts boiling, immediately it starts boiling, you come and check it because it doesn't take longer time to be well cooked. So after that, I drain the water and then I go in to prepare the sauce that will be used to cook this delicious food. So add oil is optional. If you're using stew, if you want to use stew, you use stew. If you want to use oil, but in this video I am using both oil and stew. Don't forget to add your crayfish and salt and seasoning cubes, and then after those have mixed and boiled well, you go in with the whisker and you turn until it is well mixed with the sauce. And after that, you go in with scent leaves. Scent leaves are also optional. You can put green leaves or any vegetable, but I wanted scent leaf as the Igbo girl that I am, now. So I is done and ready to serve. So I'm dishing my food. You can see the face of my Rizka. My Rizka looks so delicious and appetizing. Those of you in Plateau State, comment if you have ever tasted this food.